just south of these dorms is the Magnolia complex, and we're going to do a quick tour of Magnolia. This is the pool for Magnolia. As far as I know, there are only 2 pools. One we saw over in the village, and then this is the other one. Magnolia is one of the older dorm complexes here, but it's also one of the nicest. The dorms are apartment style, so you get your own room. You can lock your door, you don't share a bedroom. And again, we'll have a tour of one of the rooms in just a few minutes. And for dining, the Hub dining facility is located right in the Juniper building, which is right there, right next door to Magnolia. Magnolia is my favorite dorms, although they are a little far away from the classes in the center of activity. And here's a closer look at the pool. And now we'll check out the laundry facilities. Washers, dryers. And again, if you just swipe your card, you can use the money that you have on your card to pay for them. More washers down there. And this is all part of Magnolia. There's about 6 different buildings amongst all the magnolia trees. It's a very shaded area. There's lots of places to sit and relax and enjoy the weather. Like I say, there is Juniper right next door. There's volleyball back there. It's beach volleyball. It's in the sand. And there's the parking lot. It's an additional parking lot across the street. There are also athletic fields across the street. Now we'll take a look inside. I think each building has 3 floors. Okay. There's a common area here for socializing, watching TV, or anything else you want to do. And then there's a kitchen, a full kitchen. Got a fridge, a stove, and a sink, plenty of storage. There are 2 bathrooms. This unit has 4 dorms, 4 bedrooms. So you share a bathroom with 1 other person. And we'll take a look at the bathroom real quick. It's just a stove, or excuse me, a toilet, A shower stall. And a sink. And then this is one of the rooms. Just have a bed, a desk, and a chair. Here's your view outside. And they provide the dresser also. And that's a tour of the Magnolia complex. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, press the like button, and we will have more videos soon. Thank you.